This is my Axial Capra, and I'm going to go through the differences of the different overdrives. The one that goes in the diff and the ones that go in the portal gears. And then both together. Let's see if we can see what the differences are. Front diff overdrive only. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. Portal gears only. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is with the axial overdrive and the portal overdrive. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First of all, I want to say this is obviously not a highly scientific experiment. It's just a guide. It turns out that the portal overdrive was slightly higher than the diff overdrive, and both of them put together made the overdrive so high that on the terrain that I drive on, which is mainly sandstone, the front wheels ended up doing wheel spins all the time, and the back ended up driving the car. So I've now taken the diff overdrive out, and I'm just running with the portal overdrive, and we'll see how it goes from there. Thanks for watching.